Hey, this is Smoothie KooKoo Kitchen, and today we are going to be making a smoothie. Alright. So you're gonna need 2 peaches, 1 banana, and some fruit salad. Fruit of your choice, but in our fruit salad we have grapes. We're not gonna use grapes.
We have preserved watermelon mango.
Not mango.
Not mango.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe. That's close, right?
Okay. We're gonna peel the banana, and we are going to rip it up a little bit so we don't ruin the blender. And she's gonna cut out all the gross spots. Alright. Here. I'm gonna break it up a little bit and then she's gonna cut hers up so she's all fancy. Alright. Probably shouldn't do that. Blade is really sharp. Okay. Now, as she cuts the peaches up, because...
Do you want to leave the skin on or take them off?
Yeah. No, just leave the skin on and I'll find out. You can either leave the skin on or take it off.
Choice.
I'm not going to cut because I don't trust myself with knives. So I'm going to start putting watermelon in. And we're going to cantaloupe here. And make sure you wash them nice and good before.
Nice and
Do
good.
this. Yes, nice and good. Make sure you get all the seeds out of the watermelon chunks.
And make sure you cook the peaches up good so they won't stick hot.
Yeah.
Oh, you're also going to need some vanilla yogurt. Possibly some ice.
Chobani, I recommend this. It is wicked good. Like the best yogurt. It's Greek yogurt.
Right, but if we remove it, obviously out of the
And make sure you don't put the seed in the blender from the peach.
Yeah. So don't just pop the whole peach in there because
Do some cutting around.
yeah, that'll ruin your blender. I'm gonna use some blueberries too.
This is looking really good.
Yeah, looking really yummy.
Dice. Really hard to dice up.
And the preparation only takes about 5, 6, 7 minutes.
Maybe 10, you know.
Yeah.
Depending who's cutting in.
Depending how fast or slow you are.
And depending if you cut yourself.
Yeah. Ow. Just gonna add that in there.
They can't see your switch now. Oh, yeah,
I know. It's okay. You just got that knife really close to my eye. Maybe you should set the knife down when you put stuff in. Oh my god. Okay, okay. You got me.
I don't want to be working 7 days a week. Now it's still fresh.
Okay, what else? Oh, we're gonna need.
Second peach.
Do you think we really need a second peach?
I think we're okay. So, 2 or 1 peaches.
Now we're gonna need a.
Shibani. La 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 la. No, no, don't do that. I like to go. Don't recommend that, but I like to do it my way. Then I rip it. Well, she'll rip it because I'm weak. I play soccer. I don't do anything with my arms.
I do martial arts, so I kind of use my arms. Yum.
Yeah.
Do you want to add some ice and milk in there?
Sure. I don't think we need any milk. Just ice.
Well, the milk's gonna help blend it because it's gonna get a little liquid. You know what I mean?
Alright. You can use milk if you want.
Might be a little. You only need a little bit.
Yeah. And we're not professionals, that's why we're kind of kid swirling a little bit. Because we just love to cook and we thought we might start it. So it's over there. Okay. We will be right back. Now we are going to blend it. And we are going to add 4 ice cubes in.
More than 4.
Well, how many? how many you want. No, just that's good.
And
No, you have to kind of no, do smoothie. Turn it on. Then it does its own thing. Okay, we will be right back with the finished product. And this is the finished product.
don't forget to clean up.
Yeah, don't forget to clean up because your parents might get very mad. And no, we're not cheap. We just wanted to put it in mugs to make it look pretty. And let's taste it. Very sweet. It's good though. Well, see you next time on KooKoo Kitchen. Bye.